This is the 2021 MG3, and the MG3 is officially the cheapest brand new car that you can buy in Australia. And after driving it and renting it out, I can definitely tell you, you get what you pay for. But that's not always a bad thing. So first of all, how does it look? And honestly, not bad. It's a small hatch, clean shape, kind of a fake Euro vibe when they first came out. No one's buying this for styling though, because it doesn't scream budget box either. A few things to note, especially in the North Queensland weather. These door seals, if you can see that, they don't like it. The seals up here, they do not like the sun and the weather. And these plastics fade very, very rapidly. Make sure you keep your products on them as well. Inside, this is where the cost cutting is quite visible. Hard plastics everywhere, which for this price point in this type of car, I really don't mind. You don't want leather or vinyl, and you want it to be easy to clean and maintain. The seats are basic, but actually quite comfortable. In the back seat, there's enough room, but not super comfortable for a long distance trip. It would be handy to have a USB back here as well, otherwise it's only one port all the way up the front there. There's enough room, there's enough headspace for an adult. 3 adults, probably not. 2 adults, no worries. In the boot, enough space for 2 bags. We took this parcel shelf out because with 2 bags on top, not enough room. So you may want to pull that out as well. Obviously, one of the benefits with a car like this is the tires 185, 65, 15. Very cheap. You pick these up for $70, $75, $80 if you want to spend some money. So very cheap and economical to run. From a driver's point of view, key start, the indicator is on the left-hand side if you're not used to that, European style. Gear selector is handy, big enough. And the screen, although not massive, it's actually big enough for what you're spending. One thing I always like is dial control aircon. I despise when it's touchscreen aircon. Dials all day. Power, you got a 1.5 litre, 82 kilowatts, but you're not going to break any land speed records, but you're not buying it to break land speed records. You're buying it to get around town, easy to park, easy to maneuver, tight turning circle, and just a cheap, easy, affordable car to run. The steering is light and the turning circle is actually really sharp. Fuel economy is around 6 to 7 litres per 100 Ks. Parts are cheap, fuel is cheap, and honestly, customers love renting this car. Now, parts used to be a problem. We had some problems waiting for parts in the early days on this one, but they've been around for a few years now, and there's enough of them in the wrecked yards to get some second-hand parts pretty quickly and relatively cheaply. Now look, the MG3, it's not a premium car. You're not spending a lot of money, but you're getting a fair bit for it. It really reminds me of the Hyundai XL in the 1990s, if you remember those. But honestly, if you need a cheap car to run around town with a 7-year warranty, and yes, you want to spend some more money so you don't need the 7-year warranty, but it's great to have it there anyway, then the MG3 might be the car you're looking for. The other option from here is you can save up, spend some more money, get like a Mazda 2 or a Hyundai i30, but you can pick these up secondhand for 10K, and it's probably all you need.